My dear friends and teachers, I just wanted to, tell you something really important. We know that during the last, 18 months, students, parents, and teachers, we are all struggling. Learning and teaching, it's very difficult. So we have a brilliant application. This is a short video. In another video, I have explained a little more detailed information have been given in that particular video. But I just wanted to, if you don't have that much time to go through the entire video, watch the entire video, maybe you can just watch this video, and this will give you the highlights of the application. We provide a brilliant learning tool, a teaching tool for the students and also to the teachers. Okay, many school, 400, more than 425 schools across India, they are using this application, and they found it is amazing. So it's a brilliant tool. And what do we offer? Let me tell you that there are many learning tools and teaching tools that we offer. It's a complete solution. We have all syllabus, CBSE, ICSE, all state board content available from pre-nursery to class 12th. All right. And all subjects available, not just physics, chemistry, maths, and bio. Everything is available in one single platform. So it's a complete solution. All right. Now, the second thing, there are many learning tools and teaching tools that we provide. What are those learning tools and teaching tools? We have chapter notes, topic-wise notes available for every single topics. Beautiful notes are available. And when you read the note, we don't want you to by heart it. We want you to understand. So we give you the second element, beautiful quality videos. There are 19,500 topic-wise videos available, 3D, 2D animation video. So every single topic that you open, you will see amazing quality videos. If you are a teacher, you can share it with the student, and we call it a flipped classroom. Tomorrow you're going to teach something. Today you share the note and also the video, ask them to watch the video. The very next day when they come back to your class, they are coming back with 50% understanding, and then you just need to elaborate it. You just need to probe, you just need to ask questions, and make it an interactive session. Students will love it. Okay, so 19,500 topic-wise videos and high quality, short duration videos, very, very useful. It's a rich content library. What's the third element? Every topic you will see a testing platform. You can do a small test paper and see how much you understood, whether you're on track, off track, things like that. And the fourth element, we give beautiful pictures, amazing quality pictures, and teachers, you can use it as a presentation booster. Fifth element, revision tool. We have beautiful revision tool. Along with pictures, you will see the revision tools. At the end of the lesson, you can do a quick recap or a revision by using the revision tool if you are a teacher. But if you are a student, before the examination, prior to the examination, come to this section. This will help you to recollect everything that you learned over a period of time. Beautiful revision tool. So 5 different elements. What is the sixth one? We give something called real life application. What is this real life application? Why do we give it? Real life application means whenever you learn something, like I said, we don't want you to by heart it. We want you to understand it. We want you to remember this. Okay, so what we give a tool called a brilliant element called a real life application, and you open a topic, you will see this, and this will help you to understand what is the real world connection, how this principle or the concept is connecting to my daily life. How can I apply this in my daily life? What is the use of this particular concept or principle? When you understand that, then you will never ever forget it. Got it? So real life application. And then we give something called mind maps, beautiful mind maps. Some students, they are good with pictures. They have pictographic memory. So you look at the mind map, all the important points related to the topic you will see in the mind maps, and you can, easily understand the concept. Teachers can use this as a revision tool. And we have topic synopsis. This is the 8th element, topic synopsis for every topic. And we have web link. something called a web link. Normally, when you teach something or when you learn something, sometimes you do R&D, right? Now we have ready to use reference material, and we call it web link. You just click on it, you will get more information, articles related to it. So you don't need to go to Google or YouTube to get additional information. Ready to use reference material is available. We have, and the ninth element, previous year question papers, last 10 years question papers with complete solution is available within the application. All right. So you can use it, practice it, interactive worksheet, games, and you will also see your complete performance. Dashboard is available, how you are performing, in which subject you need to improve. There is something called My Performance Dashboard, very useful for the students. Okay. And what else we provide? We also give you an textbook, your complete subject-wise textbook. You can download it, read it. Ebook is available. All right. Now, we also have a very, very useful tool called a Diagram Maker. What is this Diagram Maker? Wherever you need to learn how to draw a picture, you can use the tool called a Diagram Maker. This will teach you how to learn how to draw a picture. Okay. So, very, very useful. Everything is available in one single platform. Okay, and we call it Flip Learn, Pathfinder Flip Learn. Okay, now if you're a teacher, let me also tell you, you can do complete lesson planning. We have 2.5, remember this, okay, 2.5 lakh questions and complete solutions. So conducting examination is very easy. There is an exam management system. Just within 3 to 5 minutes, you can create a question paper. You can add all type of question. That's the beauty of it. You can add descriptive type, objective type, short answer type, fill in the blanks, all pattern of questions you can add, and just by a click it will go to the student portal. They will attend the examination. You will get individual performance report and class-wise performance report. Beautiful. Save lot of time. Right? So we have an exam proctoring mechanism and 2.5 lakh questions and solutions only available to the teachers. Okay. And you can do lesson planning. And Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, everything is inbuilt in this application. So you can conduct live classes or video conferencing with your students. Right? And if a student enroll for this, you get one upper class and one lower class along with your existing class, absolutely free of cost, as long as the license is valid. So you pay for one class, you get one upper and one lower. Why do we give it? Upper class as a foundation, lower class for your reference. Okay, and it's very cost effective. This is what I want to tell you, as a final note, very, very cost effective. So what I want you to do, if you have any questions, you can always call us anytime. Our contact number, my number is 9645044679. And for more information, please do visit our website, pathfinderforyou.com. 4 is numeric, pathfinderforyou.com. Okay, thank you very much. Stay safe. Have a very good day. And please share this information with everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.